So I am here in Palos Verdes Nautilus Drive to try to check out the reason for the mold. This is broken. I have to walk the house really fast and find out the reason for a mold infestation. The whole place reeks really bad. Appears that the air is really heavy here. Overflowed into the house, according to a letter from the neighbor, and that appears to be the reason for the mold. There it is. Apparently all of this was full of water. Makes sense. This whole room, need to just change the drywall, change the studs, clean them up. It's really a mold remediation call. I don't think there's a consistent reason why the mold is there. It's a weird looking house, that's for sure. Another pump. Garage. Appears that there's mold here too. All over the garage. God, what would be the reason for this mold? I think the water. Oh, water. Water. Mold. Shoot. See what water piece up above. Maybe the house is dug into the hill, but then these walls here would have mold. It does look wet all the way to here. And I think that it would drywall. This water feature certainly doesn't help any. That's probably why that one is wet over there on the back. Definitely a Persian style house. Nice location, but surprised they did a short sale on this property. There's no mold anywhere here. So this is above the garage. Down below, this is where everything is wet. No mold here. Some humidity here. This is where the washer and dryer were. Okay. We have a bathroom. No mold anywhere. No mold. Closet. Kitchen. So, freezing, refrigerator, must be worth a penny and a half. Mold. Oof, that smells bad. Living room. Wow. Fish tank. Let's go. Still haven't seen where that mold went down the garage. Definitely the first time. There's some signs of mold here. There. And there's something here overflowed. It looks a little wet. Nothing super wet. There's tile all over. this. This is wet. Still leaking. It's going. There appears to be a leak from the roof. Is that the roof? I think there's a broken pipe up there. That is definitely the roof. The air. Okay. This is the reason for the mold down in the garage. Broken pipe or leaky roof. And we're gonna call them both. See what type of roof this thing has. Oh my god. How did one get up there? There's a closet. Ooh, furnace. Not a problem with the furnace. See, maybe we can get on the roof here. Yeah. There's one more roof. God, this is a huge house. Not necessarily pretty, but big. This is a master bedroom. Here. This is where the leak is probably is. Nice shower. The leak was just right below this. Is either the toilet. Okay. Nice tub. I can kick it. What's up, babies? Okay. No mold here. No mold here. My God, this is huge. Who would ever let the bank foreclose this? Okay, so mold down in the garage caused by the leaking pipe from the bathroom on the 3rd floor. Mold in the south side of the garage caused by the water feature, and mold in the service room caused by the leakage from the pool. Those are the 3 reasons for the mold. And they say they have somebody else doing the mold remediation. We'll see. Water feature that goes around the house, and likely the cause of the mold inside the house, without a doubt. All the poo-poo from the birds. Yeah, so it was not the pool. Wow. Yeah, I'm surprised the city hasn't called this up. Yeah, this is built very poorly.
Where's the mold? Back in here?
Yeah, all that around.
Oh, yeah.
All this. So you can see how is the water from the pool gonna get here? It's not. Right? Oh,
That's bad. Handle that shit.
yeah, but you know, the water from the pool, there's no way that came in there.
Yeah, no, that's from the water feature.
And then it just grew. All this humidity.
GPS signal lost.
You gotta ventilate this crap. You can't really have it like this.
Oh, yeah.
Houses are not meant to be in a river.
Okay, dude. Thank you.
Yeah.